super excited about today's upload. My buddy Logan is coming over to help me film a video tomorrow on the Fiesta. He's an incredible filmer, but he just picked up a Focus ST. We've been friends for years. We've been talking forever about getting a Focus and Fiesta ST. I ended up getting a Fiesta. He just got a Focus. So he's like, bro, I want to get an exhaust on this thing. See if you can give me a discount with a brand. And I'm like, all right. I hit up Thermal R&D. They're like, let's hook him up. We'll send him a free one. So I'm going to be surprising him today with the exhaust. I'm super excited. He's showing up in about 10 minutes. And again, he thinks we're filming a video on my car. So tomorrow we're going to surprise him with it. I'm super excited to show you guys his reaction. And we'll also get some sound clips as well. So let's get into it.
I'm actually in this one?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
You're in this one. We got my boy Logan here.
What's up?
We got the cars posted up. They look pretty good. We're going to probably wash them first things first. And then we're going to get into the build breakdown of the Fiesta. But there's a little twist on this video.
Twist.
Just a little twist. I told Logan that I was going to get him a little something for his interior.
Oh, snap.
I didn't get him something for his interior. I got you something a little better. Go open the garage.
Oh, no. No.
Go open the garage.
Is this what I think it is?
Just nothing.
Oh my god. No way. Bro, I was not expecting this at all. I was literally just talking to Jared like, dude, I'm saving up for an exhaust. I gotta get an exhaust on this thing. Oh, no way.
What do you think, dude?
Dude, I was not expecting this at all.
Dude, drop the build breakdown, dude.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they...
Dude.
Let's go, boys.
Heck yeah. Yeah, dude, so we got the exhaust for you. That's the Thermal R&D exhaust. So, Victor, shout out to you, dude.
So, Victor.
Thanks for hooking it up. So, yeah, today we're going to be installing a 3-inch high-flow catback exhaust system on Logan's Focus ST.
I'm always like watching these videos, I'm like, man, I feel so good for those people. Look at their side, and now I'm that guy.
Yes, dude,
Let's
you
go.
are that guy. Everyone's got their turn. So yeah, we got the shop opened up. Bobber once again is coming through with the shop. So we're gonna go over and use the lift. We're gonna get this thing installed. I think first step is to wash these cars though. So let's wash them.
Dirty.
Logan's gonna work his filming magic on our cars, and yeah, let's get this thing cleaned up. Let's go hook your Focus up, dude. Okay guys, we just washed up the vehicles and of course it's got to rain on us. So thankfully we got the shop later on. We're going to try to get a startup clip now. Hopefully it doesn't rain too bad on us. All right, so Logan's about to start it up. Let's hear how it sounds. Go for it. Did you start it yet?
What's that? Is it on?
Holy smokes. Dude, this thing is going to get opened up. I cannot wait. And look how dinky this exhaust tip is right now. Wow, dude, actual pop. All right, so yeah, it sounds pretty decent, but you know, it's
I'm driving. You're not hearing anything.
so we gotta open this thing up a little bit. That's gonna sound really good, dude. I'm excited. So we're gonna head over to the shop now and start swapping this thing out. Setup, dude. This is literally no connections other than at the downpipe, and I think that's pretty much it.
So it should all just drop.
The whole thing's gonna drop, so hopefully I'll get this off and then
Okay, so
I think we have to cut it.
yeah, you're gonna have to cut it.
Right?
So my buddy had RS, and I was thinking this might be different because there's no rear diff or anything, but we had to cut his right here for it to drop.
Okay.
Elevate.
Car is up on the lift. We got the Focus exhaust stock. There's pretty crappy looking tips here. We got a big honking muffler. Comes up and around through the bottom section. This looks like a 2-inch factory piping all the way down past the stock resonator. And then we're bolted right up to the downpipe right here with some seriously rusted bolts. So that's gonna be a lot of fun, but hopefully heat will be our friend there. And I guess we're just gonna start cranking this thing out.
It's gotta go. We don't like that.
So that's pretty much how it's gonna go. So we get the high flow exhaust tips straight out the back, and then we got this Helmholtz design that's gonna help limit the drone on the parkway and the cruising speeds. Then we're gonna come up straight true 3-inch all the way back to a high flow resonator, and then just gonna bolt right up to the downpipe. So we got this puzzle piece together. Now we're gonna start taking the old stuff off and start getting this new stuff in. So we are getting these two 15mm bolts off here at the flange for the downpipe, and probably gonna start having to cut some things off to get the new exhaust in. Safety first. Alright, that is it, the last piece of the exhaust. We got the tip going on, so we're gonna throw this thing on and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, that is it. We got the exhaust fully bolted up, everything's tightened down. It looks insane, it's complete. 3-inch straight all the way out with the Helmholtz design here to limit the drone on the freeway or cruising speeds. Comes out to a super sick tip right here. And we're about ready to drop it down. Logan is gonna hear his exhaust.
Can't wait.
For the first time. We're gonna go get some driving clips. We're gonna get some sound comparisons.
Beyond stoked. Oh, it's so good.
It sounds really
So
dope.
good.
Yeah, so he's stoked, I'm stoked. Ron hooked it up, and Victor, I appreciate you guys hooking it up for the exhaust. The link will be in the description. So hit up Ron, go buy yourself a Focus exhaust. These things make a huge difference. It sounds insane. So thanks for tuning in on this one. This was a super fun one.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Victor, Ron, and Smplbuilds,
Yes,
the man
sir.
himself.
Thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.
Do it again.
Keep doing that. That's good. Get loud.